Here we are in the master bedroom. It has a full bathroom in it. It's been updated and upgraded throughout the house. Fresh paint throughout it, new carpet, newer windows. Alright y'all, we are down at one of the unique bedrooms of this house. This house does have 5 full bedrooms in the house. I like this room because it's got a lot of sunlight in it, but that's not the real reason why I want to show you this room. Come check out this secret door. I think you'll like this. Come on out. Takes you to your glorious pool. I know it's winter time, but who wouldn't love to have that exit to the pool? Okay, now we're upstairs in this giant bonus room. This is going to be a great area for kids to come up here and play, and the view is just fantastic. Take a look at that.